Morning. I'm just kind of hanging out, getting ready. Today's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to all who see this. I'm gonna go over to my parents' house and then spend a little time with them, and then I think I'm gonna go for a ride. So it's just in Walgreens, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cops, count them. Just ran in to get this one guy. Yeah. Pulled over on the ride to see this awesome view and to observe my bike. And Chris is looking at his bike, but he won't let anybody see it because it's his. Okay, there it is. Bam! That's for Duncan. Oh, there we go. That's for Duncan. Nice. Happy Thanksgiving. Man, how did we do this at night, riding fast and not hit anything? Wow, that's slick. Just kind of signing out.